in a successful relationship with this business owner, there's someone who is intensely attracted to you. This individual feels as if they need to hide their emotions from you and maybe from others, but this person has been secretly studying you. You know, they feel like you are their match. They feel like you are their wish fulfillment. You have the qualities, the attributes, you know, the looks, the charm, the aura that they've always wanted to connect with. You know, you're like their dream person. This individual has been all over the world, literally, and they've connected with some really amazing people, but not people quite like you. Some of you could be of a different cultural background than this individual is, and that adds to the appeal. And this person feels like they can have the world with you. Before they met you, their energy was dormant. You know, they wasn't thinking about a relationship. They wasn't thinking about love. They were just thinking about the here and now. They started to believe that love didn't exist. But ever since meeting you, you have ignited this person's passions. They see forever with you, and it could be too soon to say, but they see you as someone that they could truly settle down with. They see you as grounded, stable, hardworking, ambitious, their match. You know, this person is a boss. You know, the way they carry themselves, their energy. You know, this individual is very established, very well respected. This is a provider. This is someone that feels as if you can stand beside them. This is someone that feels that you can stand on your own. You know, you're confident. They admire you. They're intrigued by you. They see you as a leader. They see you as someone that actually inspires them. They want to work through their toxicities. They are working through their toxicities. We all have, you know, traits that we need to release, and this individual feels like they're ready now. They were very fearful of this connection in the past, fearing what people may think, what people may say, fearing if they were even good enough. They went through a lot, and because they've done the inner work, or they are doing the inner work, they're now connecting to their heart center, and they see you as someone that is very heart-centered. Someone that leads with the heart, someone that's compassionate, someone that's authentic. This person wants to reach out to you. They enjoy your conversations. They find healing in your words. They see you as established. They see you as someone that they want to create an empire with. They want to marry you. They are a fan. You know, they put you on a pedestal, but they'll try and downplay that. Shh, it's a secret. This person feels so happy whenever they are around you. You bring a lot of sun, laughter, and magic in their life. They feel like together you can both shine. They feel like you can be a power couple. They see you as powerful, as dominant, as talented, as beautiful, marvelous, intriguing, interesting, fabulous, sparkly, shiny, theirs forever and ever and ever.